Vbxtopcom Fortnite free Vbux scams reviews websites pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a Fortnite player, the promise of free Vbux is extremely tempting, but most people get this wrong by assuming sites like Vbxtopcom are legitimate. The surprising truth is that these websites are often scams designed to harvest personal information, and the pricing isn't money, it's your time, privacy, or even your account security. Most of these platforms claim to offer free Vbux in exchange for completing surveys, downloading apps, or entering personal details. In reality, there is no guarantee you'll receive any in-game currency. Many users report phishing attempts, malware downloads, or accounts getting banned due to violating Fortnite's terms of service. What you get occasionally: access to small promotional items or guides, but never guaranteed Vbux. What you give up: your personal data, device security, and potentially your Fortnite account. The cost here is more than money, it's the risk associated with these sites. Here's how to stay safe and maximize value. Step 1. Stick to official Fortnite channels or authorize gift cards for purchasing Vbux. Step 2. Avoid entering passwords or sensitive information on third-party sites. Step 3. Research user reviews carefully before trusting any site. Step 4. Consider free Fortnite challenges or Epic Games promotions for legitimate rewards. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore safety warnings. Phishing attempts can lead to stolen accounts or compromised devices. The surprising truth is that there is no legitimate way to get free Vbux outside official Fortnite channels. Any site claiming otherwise should be treated with extreme caution. In conclusion, Vbxtopcom and similar sites promise free Vbux but carry significant risks and hidden costs. Understanding these dangers and using official methods ensures you get real value for your money without jeopardizing your account or privacy.